Welcome to our training on the UK2US Partnered Carrier Programme. Today, we will go over how to create a shipment using the UK2US Partnered Carrier Programme and how this can benefit eligible selling partners. The UK2US Partnered Carrier Programme offers air express shipping options to ship fulfillment by Amazon small parcels directly from UK warehouses to US fulfillment centres. The UK2US Partnered Carrier Programme helps reduce complexity by supporting selling partners with more automated booking processes, shipment tracking and payment, all within Seller Central. You could have the ability to replenish your inventory in the US without having to search for other shipping options outside of Seller Central. Now let's look at how to book a shipment. Before creating your shipment, please check if your product is prohibited or requires additional documentation. To create a shipment, you go to Manage Inventory and then click on Shipments. Then click on Send to Amazon and select the products that you would like to ship. Prepare your inventory by first choosing the packaging type you will use to ship and click Pack Individual Units. Then select the Amazon Partnered Carrier option. You can then select your shipping date to confirm the pickup drop-off date and click on Get Shipping Cost to confirm the ship date. Now select Air Express as shipping mode and shipping carrier. Then click on Continue to Shipping Parties. Now you can enter the company name, tax identification number, contact details, and commodity description. Then select your pickup slot with the shipping carrier. Once this has been completed, review the terms and conditions. If you agree, please click Accept Changes and Confirm Shipping. Once the shipment is confirmed, print out the box labels and attach to each package. Fill out the commercial invoice. You can find a template in the Shipment Creation Guide. Send the invoice to the email address below this video and print out a hard copy to hand to UPS. It's best to have 3 copies of the invoice printed. Once the commercial invoice has been emailed and printed, hand over the packages to your courier. You can organise to have them picked up from your warehouse, or you can drop it at your nearest shipping carrier station. Thank you for watching this video. Please be sure to check through the steps. For more information, click on the links below the video. We wish you all the best and happy selling in the US.